Hey guys, today won't be a honing video, but more of a discovery and shaving video. Look at that, look at this box. A nice frog here. And let's see what's in the box. I received this one as a surprise last week. And I was absolutely amazed. Look at this guy. Look at that. Yeah, a nice straight razor, handmade by a friend. And look what's on it. Yeah, you're not dreaming. Froggy Shave. And that's been done by my good friend Roberto Fontana. So the man is doing that as a hobby, and look at the quality of this razor. Nice light scales, light horn scales. It's a 7/8 French point with an amazing engraving Froggy Shave on it. And wow, I was amazed when I received that. That was totally unexpected. Thanks a lot, Roberto. And I couldn't do anything than doing a shaving video with it for you guys. And to thank also Roberto for his present. So I didn't do a honing video because that was super boring. The geometry of this razor is perfect. So it was totally boring to watch the honing session. Only, I'd say 15 minutes and it was done. Perfect. I had a 3 days beard here, 3-day beard here. And look at that, it's gone. It's actually shaving so well. I couldn't wait trying it. If you're wondering what soap I'm using, that's the soap I reviewed, I presented on the last video, the French one. I really love this soap. The glide is amazing. And very subtle scent, but amazing. Now, okay, let's be careful here. There is still, I mean, this French point is amazingly nice, but we've got to be careful there. And don't want to get myself, I should say, I don't want to get myself again. It's not happening often, but last week I had my first neck nick, and that was a bit sore, I have to say. All right. So under the nose, and I have to say it's shaving amazingly well. Roberto might correct me here, but I think he used a C135 steel for this one. So fairly hard carbon steel. Now the neck. And we'll try to stop before the scar of last week damage. Don't know if you'll see it. I'll show it to you now, just here. And last week it looked like this. Yeah, I almost created another mouse on my neck. So don't want to do the same again. It healed pretty fast. I would say within a few days, that was already a lot better. But yeah, don't want to go over it again. So we'll stop just before it. And I have to say, quite amazed by this razor so far. Like 3-day beard, gone. Very easy to use. 7/8 would be roughly the maximum I would use. I usually prefer 6/8, 7/8, 5/8 even. But this one, super easy to use and quite light actually. The scales are very light. And the man's done everything. He's just doing that as a hobby, and wow, amazed by the quality of the product. So I don't know if you've noticed, or maybe you didn't, because there's nothing to notice, but you can't really hear the sound of the beard being cut. It's because I believe this is hollow, or maybe half hollow. I'd say maybe half hollow. Roberto can confirm. So it's not very singing, I would say, as a razor. But it's shaving superbly well. And again, you can also see the quality of the blade by the easiness to hone it. This one was super easy to hone. I was a bit afraid at first, to be honest, because usually the C135 is quite a hard carbon steel and can be a pain in the butt to hone, but it went very well here. Roberto already created the bevel for me, and he knows I'm very picky with the edge, so he let me do the edge myself. Alright, look at that. Don't even need to almost pull the skin here. The soap is also amazing, so can't complain about this one either. Truly an amazing gift. This is actually my first Froggy Shave razor. Alright, as usual here, need to watch two things, the point and also your nose. Don't go too far and watch this point. Perfect. Quick lotion at the end. Love this one, the Mersal. And that's it. So look at that, amazing razor. Thanks a lot, my friend. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Guys, hope you liked the video. Talk to you soon. Bye now.